Talify Automation Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They think workflow automation is only for large corporations, but Talify is designed for teams of any size to streamline processes and reduce bottlenecks. Talify allows businesses to document, automate, and monitor workflows without coding. One standout feature is its visual process builder, which makes it easy to map steps, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. Most people assume automation requires IT or developers. The surprising truth is Talify is user-friendly, letting managers create and modify workflows in minutes. Employees can follow automated instructions, approve tasks, and receive alerts, keeping projects on track. Another advantage is tracking and reporting. You get real-time insights into workflow efficiency, task completion rates, and bottlenecks, helping teams continuously improve operations. Talify also integrates with tools like Slack, Gmail, and Zapier for seamless adoption. However, there are some considerations. The platform can feel overwhelming for very small teams, and advanced features like conditional automation require higher-tier subscriptions. In conclusion, Talify is ideal for teams seeking to automate repetitive workflows, improve accountability, and gain operational visibility. Its visual interface, reporting, and integrations make it a powerful yet accessible automation tool. Subscribe for more honest workflow automation reviews before streamlining your next project.